You are very welcome to Cody's Production. On this channel we educate ourselves on how we can make money online and other things about business. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new updates. And hit on the notification bell for more updates. Without wasting much time, let's go to my screen. Okay, so this is a new site called Pepco99. Is a new platform that helps you to make money online without doing anything. But please don't forget to like my videos and subscribe to my new channel. The link is in my bio now, just tap on it and it will take you there. Okay, then let's see how you can register on this platform. Step 1. Tap on the link in my bio. You have to provide the correct information here. The first one is your Mountain Momo registered SIM card number. Second one is your password. And you confirm it to be sure that is correct. The next one is you type in the verification code. When you tap the link in my bio, you will use my invitation code. Then tap on the register. Now our account is now registered. Then you tap on the profit there and you will see all the products that you think you can afford. Assuming I recharge on VIP1, I will get 6 Ganasitas every day, and VIP1 is 100 Ganasitas. Now tap on my again. Go to bank. Then you provide the correct information there, especially the bank number, the one you used to register. Now you come back to home page. Thank you for watching. In my next video I will show you how you can recharge. But please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell for more updates.